I had a couple bottom teeth that were wiggly that if I were to bite into an apple, probably would have just fallen right out. So I didn't bite apples. I didn't eat corn on the cob. But today, now, I can bite into an apple. Oh, bad bite. And I don't have to worry. I can enjoy it.